Essential requirements for importing construction products. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of customs brokerage and international trade. Today, we will be exploring the requirements for importing goods subject to construction product regulations. Whether you're an experienced importer or just starting out, understanding these regulations is crucial to ensure a smooth and compliant import process. So, let's get started. When importing goods subject to construction product regulations, there are several key requirements that need to be fulfilled. Firstly, it is important to determine whether your product falls under these regulations. Construction products typically include items such as building materials, machinery, and equipment used in construction projects. To know for sure, you can refer to the list of regulated products provided by the authorities or consult with a customs broker. Once you have confirmed that your goods are indeed subject to construction product regulations, the next step is to ensure compliance. This involves meeting certain documentation and certification requirements. For example, you may need to obtain a specific certification or documentation from the manufacturer or supplier of the product, demonstrating its compliance with safety and quality standards. These documents will be required during the customs clearance process, so it's important to have them ready and accessible. Additionally, when importing goods subject to construction product regulations, it is often necessary to have a valid customs bond in place. A customs bond serves as a financial guarantee to the government that you will fulfill your obligations as an importer, including payment of any duties, taxes, or penalties that may arise. It is important to work with a customs broker who can assist you in obtaining the appropriate customs bond tailored to your specific import activities. Another consideration when importing these regulated goods is the requirement to file an Importer Security Filing, or ISF. The ISF is a mandatory filing that must be submitted to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, at least 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto a vessel bound for the United States. This filing provides crucial information about the import shipment, such as the names and addresses of the parties involved, the country of origin, and the cargo description. Compliance with ISF requirements is essential to avoid penalties and delays in the clearance process. To navigate the complex world of customs brokerage and ensure compliance with construction product regulations, it is highly recommended to work with a licensed customs broker. A customs broker is a professional who specializes in customs procedures and regulations and can guide you through the import process, helping you meet all the necessary requirements. They have the expertise to handle documentation, classification, and valuation of goods, and can assist with filing the required paperwork and ensuring compliance with all relevant regulations. In conclusion, importing goods subject to construction product regulations requires careful attention to detail and compliance with a variety of requirements. From determining whether your product falls under these regulations to obtaining the necessary certifications and documentation, working with a customs broker will greatly simplify the process and ensure that your import activities are in full compliance with the law. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the requirements for importing goods subject to construction product regulations. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Disclaimer note below. Until next time, happy importing!